Pakistan suspends Delhi-Lahore bus service. Dhar Express will be suspended at 12 p.m. midnight today, while Samjhota Express will cease to run from Saturday, reported DND news agency. UK economy shrinks for first time since 2012. Amidst Brexit uncertainties, British economy unexpectedly shrank in the second quarter for the first time since 2012, sending the pound down across the board, including to another 2.5-year low against the dollar. The decline is set to raise the alarm that the economy could experience its first recession in a decade, which was reflected in the currency markets. IIT Madras registers initial success with iron-ion battery. The iron-ion battery is cost-effective and can store a high amount of energy. Government launches program for converting used cooking oil into biodiesel in 100 cities. Initially, the biodiesel would be procured by the OMCs at an assured rate of Rs 51 per litre, which would be increased to Rs 52.7 in the second year and Rs 54.5 per litre in the third year. Yes Bank appoints Anurag Adlakha as Chief Financial Officer, replaces Ahuja. Adlakha was earlier Senior Group President and Head of Financial Management and Strategy. Sonia Gandhi named Interim Congress President, Rahul Gandhi declines again. The announcement was made after Congress Working Committee met on Saturday. Thank you for watching. Download all weekly, monthly, and yearly current affairs PDFs curated by Exam Bazaar experts to boost your preparation.